Yo, what is good? Welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're going to be doing some back testing. And yeah, let's get into it. We're about to be doing some data. Just going to be doing a quick session today. But yeah, let's get into it. Going to be on NQ here. We're also starting on Thursday at 2 p.m. So we're going to be trading 10 a.m., 2 p.m., as well as Asia Open. Here are the stats on the month so far. So yeah, really good so far, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's hop on 4-hour time frame first of all. Also, let's check the weekly. All right, rebounds the weekly gap rejected, weekly breaker rejected as well. Let me clean up my chart a bit. But yeah, right here I see we rejected this weekly breaker zone. Let's see the daily. All right. Daily sell side low. Looks like we're trading at like all-time lows. Could potentially want to run lower. All right, 4-hour OB, 4-hour for value gap rebalanced, rejected. Right there. Let's make sure ES is on the right. All right, nice. We do have a SMT at this low here. We're gonna see if that matters or not later on. But yeah, right here as well as OB, and then here we had a bearish breaker block. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Retapped, rejected, retapped the breaker, rejected. I'm pretty bearish here looking at this price action right now. Got this sell side on the 4-hour. That will mark up. Keep that marked up. Let's see the hourly. Alright, 15 minute gap got rebalanced here. We'll keep that in mind. Same thing on ES. Also breaker block here. Tapped, rejected right away. High, low, higher, high, lower, low, displaced. Retapped, rejected. Liquidity sweep here as well. Nice. I'm pretty bearish here looking at this PA. Do actually have an SMT here. That low. But yeah, let's see how we open up here at 2 p.m. Alright. So we do have SMTs at the lows. Sweep here. Internal turtle soup here. Kind of mixed bias, honestly, looking at this. But yeah, let's see how we open. Alright, opening up higher. Nice. Thursday, February 3rd. February 3rd, 2022. Was there news? No, just 10 a.m. news, no 2 p.m. news. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a short. Alright. Just waiting on a good SMT. No SMT anywhere. Could dump right here for sure, but no SMT. See if we can get SMT here. Waiting on ES. Damn. Alright. If we do get an SMT at this low though, could potentially see some longs. Let's see. Did not take it. We did take this one though. This is technically protected here. SMT at this low. Longs could work here potentially. Let's see. Let's see, 4-hour. Yeah, could potentially get some longs back up. Quick 1 to 2. SMTs put in. This low is technically protected here. Since we did sweep out liquidity, here we have an SMT. Boom, another SMT. Could get our 1 to 2 right here off this move. And if we do want to keep running lower, I think we could make a run higher, maybe take out this high here and then continue lower. But yeah, I will try this right here. Inverse order block here on the 15-second for our entry. Right there. Stop loss just at the SMT low. Just looking for a 1 to 2 here. So yeah, pretty good setup. I would say this is a good loss for sure if it lost. So yeah, execute it and see what happens. Yo, I just realized I was muted, my bad. Alright. So yeah, let's see. Really good setup. And stopped out. Alright, really good setup though. If we do keep dumping, then we could run out the lows below. But let's see, let's journal it. I think I won in AM session this day, so still green on the day. But yeah, we'll probably go to Asia. Let's see what price does. Yeah, just kept dumping. Alright, let's go to Asia. Asia 6 p.m. Alright. Alright, nice. Alright, so it looks like we could just keep dumping then. Did just tap this breaker. Did react off there. Bearish 4-hour rebounds here. Inverse the OB on the 4-hour. Let's see the hourly. Alright. Unfilled 15 here. Alright. Breaker here as well. Let's see 5 minute. Alright, 5 minute OB. So let's see how Asia opens. This is a big ass SMT, yeah. Honestly, these longs right off open could even work. Let's see. We are trading in a 15-minute gap right now. Yeah, and we did retap this CISD area here. Was retapped. Rejected 15 minute for value gaps, holding the CE as well. Rejecting CE. Let's see 5 minute. Yeah, alright. That is the SMT there as well. 5 minute SMT. New day open gap above. Take our entry right here. Since we did put in a inverse order block, which was actually right here. But just looking for 1 to 2. We'll try it. So yeah, probably gonna break even at the new day open gap as well. See if we can pump. Do we hit it? No. Alright, so we'll break even there. We hit the new day open gap. Right here. See, that's risk free there. And we're just gonna let this run now for 1 to 2. I think that we could hit at least 50% of this new day open gap, so around right here. But yeah, we should be good as long as we don't get hit break even. And yeah, hit break even. I will probably look for a re-entry though if this SMT still holds at the lows. But yeah, we'll journal this one. So yeah, we do actually have a new SMT put in right now. So I still actually like longs. Alright, yeah, we just inverse this order block as well right here. So we could get re-entry. I'm still pretty bullish as well. SMT here is still holding right there. And if we actually pull up this range here, rejecting equilibrium, and let's see the higher time frame range. Yeah, rejecting 0.79 of the golden pocket beautifully. SMT's in. Also, we had this bullish breaker block here rejected. So I do think actually we could run higher. Strong hourly closure as well. We already made bottom wick on the hourly. Let's see, 15 minute. Yeah, made the bottom wick. I think we can now flip this hourly candle and run higher. So yeah, we'll try this again. Re-entry right here. Just like that. 10-point stops. Clean candles here to the left as well. Always like to see that. So let's see. Alright, nice. Hit 101, I'll go break even there. And we should just deliver higher here. Nice. Alright, beautiful trade. And yeah, pretty much just a nice re-entry after we got break even on the first trade, which was right here. Got break even. And the re-entry actually gave us an even better entry, which gave us a 1 to 2 quicker than the original trade. So this is why I like going break even, because then you can get a re-entry sometimes, which gives in a better entry, like tighter stop, everything like that. So break even's not always a bad thing, because if you ever get break even, you can then get a re-entry with a tighter stop. Like we put in this new SMT here and got the 1 to 2 easier. We should keep pumping, but let's see. Chopping up, yeah, but got our 1 to 2. So yeah, let's throw it in the journal right here. So yeah, good. Alright, we'll go to 10 a.m. now. Alright, 10 a.m. right here. Alright, let's see any news. This is Friday, I believe. 8:30 non-farm employment. Alright. First things, let's look at 8:30. What did 8:30 do? Alright, we have 8:30 data just taken out here. So we just swept that out. We're having a reaction already. Yeah, pretty big reaction. It's also SMT here. So yeah, let's check higher time frame if anything's aligned for a short right now. We actually do already have SMT here as well. So double SMT at the highs here. Could be a short, but let's make sure everything else aligns. Weekly, bearish weekly closure, retrace higher, rebounds to weekly gap, rejected. The daily, strong daily closures. Alright. Looks like we could just keep dumping on the daily time frame a bit. Let's see the 4 hour though for more detail. So yeah, we actually do have a SMT here, which I don't really like for shorts. Rejected this breaker. We have a unfilled 4 hour here above. Let's see the hourly. Alright. Let's see 15 minute. Okay. Holding 15 minute gap. So higher time frame, I'm definitely more bullish towards that unfilled 4 hour. So I'm not gonna take this short. The short could play out right now. We can forward test it, but I'm not gonna take it. Actually, I'm not even gonna, because I'm not gonna take it. My drawn liquidity here is this 4 hour above, but I do want to see us dump for longs back up. So let's see if we can dump. And let's see. Low-key might have missed my entry. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Alright. Yeah, I want to dump, and then we'll get a long setup. Alright, let's see. SMT here. Let's see where we're at in this range. Equilibrium rebalance. SMT at the low. Alright. Looking at the 5 minute, we're tapping into these down close candles. SMT's at the low. We held this 5 minute for value gap as well here. So respecting bullish Peter raise, unfilled 4 hour above is my draw. Let's see the 1 minute. Is there anything else here? Not really. So tapping into the structure. I do think this long could work here, so we'll try it. Just because I'm very bullish up towards that unfilled 4 hour above. So yeah, we'll try this right here. It's a pretty good setup. SMT's in. So yeah, we'll try this. So let's see. News was just that 8:30 news. Yeah. So yeah, inverse order block here on the 15-second. Alright, hit 101, we'll break even there. Should deliver here towards this unfilled 4 hour fair value gap above here. Also, I believe we have equal highs here above too. So yeah, it looks really good if we can just deliver. And there we go. Unfilled 4 hours tapped. Beautiful. Any questions about this trade? Journal it. Alright. 0 losing days. So yeah, we'll keep going. It's Friday, so we're gonna go to Sunday Asia. So yeah, beautiful trade. SMT, golden pocket, equilibrium hit. Actually, golden pocket didn't get hit, but equilibrium rebalance, SMT at the low. We tapped into some structure here on the 5 minute. These down close candles, it's not an order block. It might be an order block on like a weird ass time frame, like the 10 minute, or maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. But yeah, I did see the structure here, and we wicked into it. Got the SMT, so yeah, that's basically the long. But yeah, let's go to Sunday Asia right now. 1 second. Alright, let's go to Sunday Asia right now. I'm about to backtest till I hit 40 racks on this account. Right now we're at 33. So we still got a few more racks to make. But yeah, let's get it. Alright. Two. 6 p.m. bet. We dumped. Straight up dumped. We could want to retrace that. See the 4 hour. Some T here on the 4 hour. Mind pulling? Nah. Alright, breaker here as well. Right there. Beautiful. SMT's in. Order block as well. Nice. Yeah, longest here look pretty good. Let's see the hourly. Nice. Right here. Order block on the hourly as well that we wicked into. I'm going to include the wick here. Let's see, 15 minute. Breaker tap on ES as well. I'll mark that up. Just right here. Breaker tap. Unfilled 15 above. See if we can get a run lower and a long. Alright, beautiful SMT. See if we can get entry here. I want us to put in the order block. Boom. Beautiful. Just like that is exactly what I wanted. SMT's in right here. Also rejected a order block here. All the way to the left here. Order block right here. SMT's in. Ran higher. Respected golden pocket here of the internal range. Closed above this order block here on the 15 seconds. So yeah, we're gonna take longs off this. This is exactly what I wanted to see. And above here we have the 6 p.m. wick. So like obvious ass wick here. That I want to see get taken. So yeah, we'll take this. Let's say this is A+ setup. Stop loss at the SMT low. And just looking for a 1 to 2. My real target is right here. But we're good with 1 to 2. So yeah, let's place that. Looks good. Nice. So yeah, A+ setup here. Also, what we do have here is some clean candles to the left. This is something I've been keeping my eye on as well. I'm not gonna yeah, we can name it. It's called LTA, so it's a low traffic area here. It's just clean ass candles here, and I want to see this get filled. Like no order blocks here, no nothing here, just clean ass candles. So let's see if we can just cleanly fill this back in. Alright, did we hit 101? Alright, we hit a 101. I'll break even there. Nice. And give me it. One more wick up. Yo. There we go. Beautiful. So yeah, LTA candles are just something I've been keeping my eye on. And I'll teach it to you guys. All that it is, it's basically just like, see how clean this move down was? It's just another confluence to add as like a target. And it's basically like a market maker buy model. So it's like a very clean market maker buy model, like an internal time frame one. And when the candles are like this clean, just meaning like there's no like order blocks here, there's no like liquidity sweeps here, nothing like that, then price tends to fill it really nicely, just like how we did here, as long as the draw on liquidity is correct, which my draw on liquidity is this 6 p.m. wick. Let's see if that gets taken here. And yeah, that got taken. Beautiful. Very nice. So let's journal that. Nice Sunday trade. So yeah, let's go to 10 a.m. now. Also, hold up. 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, 4, 6, 8, 9K week right here. Beautiful. No losing days. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna go at 10 a.m. now. p.m. Let's go 10 a.m. Alright. Let's go on the 4 hour. Do still have this SMT at this low. Higher time frame, I am pretty bullish here. Got this buy side on the 4 hour there. We do have SMT there, but sketch. Let's see. We'll mark up this high on the ES here. So you see, it's right there. Buy side on the 4 hour on ES. But yeah, let's see the hourly. Alright, no SMTs or anything like that. We did run lower, rebalance this hourly, and ran higher after that. We do not have a bearish breaker here, but we do kind of have this zone that we wicked out of as well. Hourly rebalance. This is not a bullish breaker, it's just kind of a zone I'm watching, because price reacted here in the past on the hourly. So yeah, let's see here. Could be a bullish breaker around this area. Yeah, it is actually a bullish breaker here on the 15-minute time frame. Low, high, lower low, higher high, closed above, retapped, rejected. Also right here, CISD on the 15-minute, rejected. Beautiful. So yeah, very clear draw for me right now is this 4 hour buy side liquidity. Just very, very obvious that we want to keep running higher. We already retraced lower. I will mark out this zone though. We're just going to keep it in mind. Let's see any SMTs. No. 5-minute order block right here, rejected. Beautiful. So yeah, I'm willing to take like whatever SMT long right now. I really like longs, so let's see if we can make one wick down and get a long right here. I'll take that any day. This would also be like golden pocket of this range as well. Yeah, if we look at this range as well, tapped into 0.62 retracement. Look at the reaction now, straight top bottom tick there. So let's pull a fib like this. And yeah, you can see how we held that bullish golden pocket here in the past. So yeah, let's see if we can get that wick low, wick lower. Beautiful, exactly what I wanted to see. Now give me an entry for long, and I'll take that long. A+ setup here, exactly what I wanted to see. Let me clean up these boxes. This is just like a 5-minute breaker. Yeah, 5-minute breaker is being tapped. 5-minute order block here is being tapped. The CE, the 50% of it's being rejected as well right now. We have a inverse order block, or actually, what do we have? Inverse order block on the 30-second here, right there. And on the 15-second, this is a change in state of delivery right here. So CISD closed above this structure here. SMT is in. And yeah, taking this long here. A+ setup. Also above here, what do we have? Low resistance, liquidity, stacked highs here. Checking the 1 minute for equal lows, no equal lows, beautiful. Alright, everything here looks good. This is a A+ setup. Also 10 a.m. manipulated lower. Our entries at the bottom of the 4-hour candle here. So we're expecting this 4-hour candle to push up and make this top wick here and distribute higher towards our drawn liquidity, just like that. Also, let's see, what else was I about to look at? I think that's it. Oh wait, for 5 minute, yeah, 5 minute unfilled for value gaps now. But yeah, A+ setup, let's take it. Oh yeah, I was about to check for news. Yeah, that's what I was about to check for. Monday. Yeah, no news. Nice. So yeah, A++ setup here. I would take this every single day, and if this lost, I could care less. Really good here. Beautiful. 101 right away. We'll break even there. Alright, break even hit. So now we'll see if we can get a re-entry here. Everything still looks good. So yeah, let's see if we can get a re-entry. If we take out this low here, I'll re-enter. I want this low because this low is already protected with the SMT. And yeah, this low, we have a SMT here as well. So this low is also protected. Let's clean this up. Hold up. SMT there. So yeah, this low to my eyes is protected. This low is protected. This low is protected because there's already SMTs there. So the only low that's not protected is this low. So I want to see us take it, ideally while still holding this SMT here, and then take a long back up. We'll see if we can get that. But that would be the A+ scenario here. Might just run without us. That's alright. Oh, maybe not. Alright, see if we can. Alright. Let's see, we probably formed some new SMT. Let's see. No, nothing there. Do have this tiny internal SMT right here. 15-minute closed bearish. Alright. Still got to keep in mind that there actually was this big ass SMT, so we could dump right now potentially. Yeah, 15-minute closure. Could dump towards the sell side, honestly. So I'm not gonna take a long here, just because the 15 minutes showing me that we could want to dump. We shifted structure below this order block. We do actually have SMT at this high, so I feel like taking a long here would be very low rated. It could play out, but I'll pass on it. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a short. Is there a short here? Yo, did I low-key miss the short? Hold up. Oh, it left equal highs though. Yeah. Let's see. RR here might not be worth it. Yeah, not really. Yeah, we'll wait. Just gonna wait for something obvious. Still early into the session. Alright. Hold up. Yeah, looks good. Alright, 5-minute rebalance. Could dump here. See if we can get entry for short. Alright. SMT here. Let's see. Alright, could try this short here. Let's see this range. Equilibrium rebalance, SMT at the high. 5-minute order block tapped. I do want to see this 15-minute sell side taken out below, so yeah, I do like this. We'll try this. 15-second inverse as well. So we'll take this right here. Beautiful. Internal low taken. Is it 101 though? It's not 101. But we will break even there. Since it's just the most obvious ass like internal low. If this is a really good trade, we're just gonna dump straight to TP. Alright, retrace higher. Could get a re-entry. Everything still looks good. Oh, wait, didn't mean to do that. See if we can get a re-entry. We have another SMT in right now. And yeah, this might save us from a loss. Let's see, SMT is in. Big ass SMT is in. Alright, new internal SMT now. Could dump right now. I'm gonna wait for one more closure just to give us some more confirmation. I'll take this short here. Right there. Looking for 1 or 2. Same thing I talked about before, LTA candles here. Low traffic area. Just some clean ass candles to the left. So yeah, should dump here. This looks pretty good. Got double SMT at the highs, external SMT, internal SMT, inverse order block here. Waited for more confirmation as well. So yeah, dump it. Also, let's check 1 minute, no equal highs. 5-minute order block here being rejected. You can see also very importantly, CE is being respected. We never closed above CE of this 5-minute OB. And yeah, looks pretty good here. Beautiful. Go break even there, hit 101. See if we can just dump, give us our 1 or 2. Fill in this LTA area here. Bang. Beautiful. Any questions about this trade? So yeah, very beautiful, exactly what I wanted. So confluences here, Wait, let me journal it real quick, 1 second. Alright. Confluences for this trade were a SMT at this high, right? First, we had a big ass SMT at this high. Then we got another big ass SMT, and then we got another internal SMT. Also, looking at the 5 minute here, we had this 5 minute order block here, which I had my eye on. Let me clean up my chart a little bit. Had this 5 minute order block here I had my eye on. You can see that we respected the CE of this order block. We never actually closed above it. And then on the internal time frame, we ran higher, made another internal SMT. So we have 3 SMTs at the highs. Order block CEs being respected here on the 5 minute. We never closed above it. Below us, my draw on liquidity is this sell side below. So this 15 minute sell side, I wanted to see this get taken before we keep running higher. So that was my draw on liquidity. And yeah, I still think we keep dumping here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And also took my entry here. Could have taken it off this inverse order block here, but I did want to wait for some more confirmation here just to confirm my trade was all good. So I waited until we basically put in another order block, and then also we inversed this 15-second fair value gap as well. So just waited on some more confirmation, stop loss at the SMT high, and just took this down here. Let's see if we keep dumping. Nice. See if we can take out our draw or not. Let's see. And beautiful. Draw on liquidity was met there as well. So overall, this trade would have given 1 of 5 RR here towards that external draw. But yeah, good with my 1 of 2. Let's go to, we'll go to a PM session here. Hold up, let me just screenshot. Alright, hold up. Alright, bet 2 p.m. This is honestly probably gonna be the last trade. I'm low-key hella tired. So yeah, this is gonna be the last trade of this session. So yeah, if there is a trade. So yeah, let's see the weekly. You found the song? What was it? Alright, no SMT at the lows. Bad. Yeah, breaker rejection here. On the weekly, wicking out of it. Could keep dumping potentially, honestly. Daily bearish closure as well. Let's see the 4 hour. What's the 4 hour telling us? Holding a bearish 4 hour order block as well. And lower. I think that we could keep dumping. Sell side liquidity on the 4 hour below. Bearish breaker. Nice. Yeah, I think that we dump here. About to lock in, do some back testing with the suggestions that we went over. Hell yeah, man. Let's get it. Alright, here we ran lower, rebalanced this on, filled 15. Right there. ES still has it. Do actually have this SMT that's in at the low. As well as right here. So we're gonna mark this up on ES as SMT holding, just to see if it holds or not. But yeah, looking at the lower time frame looks like it could want to pump. Higher time frame though, leaning more bearish, so bit mixed bias here. Let's see how 2 p.m. opens. Alright. Opening up lower. Tapping into this CISD here. Tapping into this zone. Lower time frame looks like we want to keep pumping, honestly. Looking at this bullish breaker here as well, tapped. The bodies weren't tapped, but the wick was tapped. Also, I don't know why this is orange, don't ask me. So right off 2 p.m. open low. Could take this long right here. SMT's in. Let's see, we'll go over confluences right now. Quick 1 to 2. Yeah, opened up, 5-minute candle wick was made. 15-minute candle wick was made below. We rebalanced this unfilled 15 below. Bullish structure on the 15. We're closing into this bearish breaker. So we had a bearish breaker block here, right? And now we're closing back into it. So we're closing like back into this range here. So I think that we could actually want to keep running higher potentially. Also, let me mark up equilibrium here. We do actually also have a SMT at the low. SMT at the low, bullish 15-minute for value gap rebalance. We're now closing into this bearish breaker. So now this, I see this as like a bullish zone now. That we closed into the range and now we retapped it. Instant rejection, rebalance that unfilled 15-minute for value gap. 5-minute here, tapping into this structure as well here. Like this order block, this inverse order block that we closed above, we now retapped into it, made the bottom wick on the 5-minute, made the bottom wick on the 15-minute. So I actually think that we could pump here. So yeah, I'll try this. Good shot. Yeah, this is my last trade for the session. Whatever happens, happens. It'll either be a plus 500 day or a plus 2K day here. But yeah, last trade. Alright, nice reaction. Did we get a 101? No, we did not get a 101. Also here, low traffic area. Talked about this before. This is one of the crab concepts. I'll be making some videos on my concepts as well. But yeah, this is another one. So yeah. Alright, stopped out. I like the setup though, so not tripping. And still up on the day. So let's see what happens though. Yeah, it just kept dumping. But yeah, really good setup. And let's journal it. Still no losing days in February 2022. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this backtesting session. Just want to do a quick little session. But yeah, quick little session. Didn't take a lot of trades, but ended up green on every single day that we traded. And yeah, current PNL is sitting at 34 bands, around 35 bands, risking 500. So if you do the math, that is a lot of RR. Just taking 1 and 2s as well. Let's go to January as well. Here are my stats for January, and here are my stats for February, going a lot better as well. But yeah, still overall super profitable ass month here. And yeah, not risking a lot or anything, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, if you guys want to get coached by me one-on-one, I do have a form where you can apply for that in the description. So right here in the description, I actually guarantee to work with you one-on-one until you're funded over 6 figures with prop firms and start to receive your first ever payouts. If that's something that you're interested in, then fill out this form right here. And just so that you guys know some of my stats, I already withdrew 10K from Top Step already, and it's July 5th. So 5 days into the month, I already made 10K just off Top Step, and that's not including my personal live account or anything like that I've been trading as well. So yeah, overall this month I'm going for at least like, I don't know, I'm aiming for a 50K a month, but we're gonna see how it goes. But overall, like, comment, subscribe if you're new here as well, and comment below if you guys have any questions, any concerns. And yeah, also if you want to live trade with me every single morning, I'm live from 10 to 11 a.m. You can hit that link right there. Discount code YouTube should give you a discount, or if that doesn't work, then use discount code July. And yeah, I'll be live in here all week long, trading the same exact model, trading my ABS model. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Until next time, I'm gonna catch you guys. Love you all. Peace out. Trade discipline, trade patient, and yeah, good looks.